How is it going, guys? Welcome back to Tempus TV, and welcome to Pathumthani Speedway, and welcome to Connection Thailand. So if you're real brand new, what is Connection Thailand? Well, essentially the premier place to be when it comes to motorsports in Thailand. Today we've got drag racing, we've got drifting, as you probably saw by now. We've got Gymkhana, we've obviously got a big car show. They've got a big party over here. They're probably gonna be getting pretty wild, pretty late. Are we gonna make it that far? I don't know, but in the meantime, let's go find some cool shit. Been to a lot of places, been to a lot of car shows, been to a lot of garages, been to a lot of places with cars, seen a lot of cars, but this one right behind you is a first. So hear me out, Sylvia chassis, S15, but what is the difference you see here? Wait for it, wait for it. It's a drop top. Either I've been under a rock or somebody did a really cool unique project. Did they make these in a drop top? I have no idea. Let me know down below. So if you're sitting at home being like, wow, that looks pretty rad, I want to go. Well, I hate to break it, but you are too late for this year at least. So if you want to plan on coming next year, let me break it down what I know so far. So we are about an hour north of like central Bangkok. We're still in Bangkok, technically, the greater Bangkok area. We are at Pathumthani. Pathumthani. If I murdered it, my bad. Pathumthani Speedway. It was 100 baht per person to get in, which is super cool. Of course, very fairly priced. They've got food, they got bathrooms, they got beer, got everything you need. All right, it's about 7 p.m. Things are moving right along. It is so nice out now that the sun has gone down. The drift event, they are finished with qualifying, so they're gonna start running tandems pretty soon, so I will head over there. We'll be sure to watch some of that. The drag racing is just getting started, but first I gotta make a trip back to the truck. You know, the sign of any good event, you know what I mean? The sponsors should be there trying to sell stuff, right? And if they're not selling stuff, they should be giving stuff away for free, which they are here, and I've got a bunch of it, so we gotta go drop it off. robotic lighting rig. Like that, that guy's just driving that thing with a controller. How do I get that? Now, I'm not sure if you guys could tell or not, but this drag strip behind me, let's just say I don't think it was really here a couple days ago. So they don't have a designated drag strip here, but Thai people, they figure it out. So they put up some K-rails and they're over here in what looks like kind of like the side parking lot. So it's no prep racing, which I really prefer it. If you don't know a lot about drag racing, it's pretty much once you get to a certain point, it's all about can you put the power down. It's relatively easy to make a car that's really powerful and fast, but can you not just break the tires off? And no prep racing really makes you think about that. You can't just leave the line full throttle, so there's some strategy to it, which I like. It looks like they're lining up again. It's taken there's been a little lull for about the past hour or so. No worries, we got to go check out some other cars, but everybody's over here piling in. It looks like they're staging again. So let's see if we can get some more hits, huh? This Civic does not gap this Mini Cooper. I swear to God. The EVs have also made it to Thailand. Literally both of these guys just red lighted. I'm not gonna say EV drivers, but dang.
right here in the States, cool, but not a super big deal. In Thailand, there's a 300% duty tax on imported cars. So that Corvette is big money here.
Here we go. Now this is a quintessential Thailand drag race. This is worse than the club. Because of the cloud of smoke. I have no idea who won. The party has for sure started. So, you know, I had to go grab myself a couple drinks, of course. Got water. Unfortunately, everything's still going. People are still running some cars down the drag strip, but it seems like it's mostly a party now. And I gotta be back in Pattaya because I gotta go look at condos tomorrow. So that is it for old Tempus from Connection Thailand Underup. This was great. I will 100% be back next year, and you should too. If you made it this far in the video, if you like cars, you like Thailand, whatever you saw today, if you liked it, chances are there's gonna be more of it. Go ahead and subscribe. You know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you have a great day.